Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mamu.
We are going ahead with Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, shlokas 34, 35 and
36.
yeah. So you are ready, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Like a Gudakesha, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Yes. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
34th shloka. Acharyah Pitarah Putrah.
Acharyah Pitarah Putrah.
See, Visarga, when Visarga comes, aha comes before pa, Pitaraha, Putraha. It should sound as uf. There should be a sound uf in between. So, Acharyah Pitarah Putraha.
Acharyah Pitarah Putrah.
Tathaiva cha Pitamahah.
Tathaiva cha Pitamahah.
Matulashvashurah Pautrah.
Matulashvashurah Pautrah.
Matulaha. Then comes after the Visargam Shvashura. Sha. So it should be given a stress. It should be like two sha. Sh. Matulashvashurah Pautrah.
Matulashvashurah Pautrah.
Again, before Pautraha, that uf sound should be there. Now, Shyala Sambandhinastatha.
Shyala Sambandhinastatha.
Same thing, Shyalaha Sambandhinastatha becomes Shyalaha Shyala Sambandhinastatha.
Shyala Sambandhinastatha.
Once again, Acharyah Pitarah Putrah.
Acharyah Pitarah Putrah.
Tathaiva cha Pitamahah.
Tathaiva cha Pitamahah.
Matulashvashurah Pautrah.
Matulashvashurah Pautrah.
Shyala Sambandhinastatha.
Shyala Sambandhinastatha.
Atyuttamam. Atyuttamam. You have pronounced it as per all needs. Okay.
Okay, Mamu.
Really good. Now let us move on to shloka 35. Etannahantumichhami.
Etannahantumichhami.
Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Apitrailokya Rajyasya.
Api Trailokya-rajyasya.
Hetoh kinnu mahi krite.
Hetoh kinnu mahi krite.
When Visarga comes before ka, then we have to give the previous thing as ha. Hetoh half. Hetoh kinnu mahi krite.
Hetoh kinnu mahi krite.
Kim plus nu becomes kinnu mahi krite. Innu. Kinnu mahi krite. Say.
Kinnu mahi krite.
Yeah. Now, once again. Etannahantumichhami.
Etannahantumichhami.
Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Apitrailokya Rajyasya.
Api Trailokya-rajyasya.
Hetoh kinnu mahi krite.
Hetoh kinnu mahi krite.
Again, Uttamam, Atyuttamam. These shlokas are a kind of difficult, you have to pronounce everything correctly. Now let us move on to 36. Nihatya dhartarashtranah
निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः
का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन.
का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन.
Again, ka pritihi sya. When that s comes, you have to make it sound like s. Ka priti sya janardana.
का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन.
Yeah. Papamevashrayedasman.
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान्.
हत्वैतानाततायिनः.
हत्वैतानाततायिनः.
Good. Nihatya dhartarashtrannah.
निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः
का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन.
का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन.
Actually, का प्रीति स्यात् जनार्दन.
का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन.
It's actually Janardana only. Sometimes in colloquial language, sometimes they put it as the two das. So you in Sanskritam it is ka pritisya janardana. That's all.
का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन.
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान्.
पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान्.
हत्वैतानाततायिनः.
हत्वैतानाततायिनः.
Atyuttamam, atyuttamam, ati uttamam today. With Hrishikesha's grace. Okay.
Okay, Mammu.
Now, shall we chant all the 3 shlokas together?
Yes, Mammu.
Acharyah pitarah putrah tathaiva cha pitamahah matulashvashurah pautrah shalas sambandhinastatha etannahantumichhami घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किन्नु मही कृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः. Now let us go through the meanings of these 3 shlokas. Acharyah pitarah putrah.
तथैव च पितामहाः.
Yeah. Already Sanjaya has mentioned these names collectively in one of the shlokas. Now Arjuna is saying this. Now tell me the meanings of each word. Acharyaha.
Gurus.
Pitaraha.
Fathers.
Yeah. Fathers. Everything has to be in plural. That means fatherly elders. Putraha.
Sons.
Tathaiva cha pitamahaha. And also
Grandfathers.
grandfathers. Matula shvashura pautraha.
Shalas sambandhinasthatha.
Matulaha.
Uncles.
Yeah. Shvashuraha.
Fathers-in-law.
Fathers-in-law. Pautraha.
Grandsons.
Yeah. Shyalaha. Brothers-in-law.
Brothers-in-law.
Sambandhinastatha. And all the other relatives. Etan na hantumichhami.
Gnatopi madhusudana.
Say it properly without moment. O Madhusudana, Arjuna is saying, I do not wish to kill them. Gnatopi, though they may kill me, I do not wish to kill them. O Madhusudana. Api Trailokya Rajyasya Hetoho.
Kinnu Mahikrite.
Even for the sake of power over the three worlds, I do not wish to kill them. Kinnu Mahikrite. What to speak for the sake of the earth? See, they are having this war for the sake of Bhumi, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Hastinapura, Indraprastha and all. Now, Nihatya Dharta Rashtranaha.
Kapritisya Janardana.
O Janardana, by killing these sons of Dhritarashtra, what pleasure are we going to derive? What pleasure will we derive? Papameva Shrayedasmana.
Advaita Natatainaha.
Sin will accumulate on us. Sin will accrue to us. Sin will come to us. Mahapapa. By killing these Atatayis. Atatayinaha. Now we are going to discuss Atatayi. Arjuna is saying, by killing these Atatayis, sin will come to us. Atatayi means one who commits heinous crime, a murderer, an assassin, a terrorist. Don't get frightened, okay? Hrishikesha is there with you. See, we are talking about the epic. We are talking about what has happened. So, Atatayi. This has everything to do with our life too, okay? That's why Mamu is explaining this to you. Atatayi means such a man who has committed heinous crime. Now we know. Killing is a papa under most circumstances. Vedas state, do not kill any being, do not kill any living being. But Vasishta Samhita says, under 6 circumstances, it is acceptable to kill, provided to escape from, to protect themselves from these Atatayis. These Atatayis are of 6 types. Okay? Just listen to all this. Agnido Garadascheva Shastrapanir Dhanapaha Kshetra Darapahartacha Shadete Hyatatayinaha. Atatayi is 6 types. One who sets others' properties on fire, others' houses on fire. One who poisons others. One who kills innocent people fully armed. See, that person is innocent, but this person, this Atatayi is coming with fully armed. He is coming fully armed. Now, who loots Dhanapaha, who loots others' wealth. Then, Kshetra Darapahartacha. One who grabs others' land. Last one, Dara. Dara is wife. One who chases others' wives or dishonor them. Those who do all these are known as Atatayis, Mahapapis. See, Arjuna is now saying Duryodhana is Atatayi. Actually Duryodhana and his brothers have done all these 6 things. They have set their palace on fire when Pandavas were sleeping. Duryodhana tried to poison Bhimasena and thus try to kill him. Then through the dice game, Shakuni Mama's game, You have seen, no?
Yes, Mamu.
Shakuni Mama's game, dice game, through that, they grabbed Pandavas' wealth, land, and then finally, they dishonored Draupadi. No?
Yes, Mamu.
So actually speaking, Duryodhana and his brothers are Atatais. Arjuna is saying that they are Atatais, but he is saying sin will come to us by killing them. But actually Shastra says sin won't come. It is acceptable to kill them. Now why all this? Why all this what is the relevance of all this in our daily life? You get to know about Punya and Papa. No?
Yes, Mamu.
See, all these people are papis, mahapapis. You should go beyond that, no? You should do good things. Always. If you are with Hrishikesha, and if Hrishikesha is with you, you will only do good things. We won't do bad things so that Papa will accumulate on us. Punya should accumulate on us, not Papa. If we are destined and if we have so much of grace, He will make us transcend both Punya and Papa too. There is a certain level where you transcend both Punya and Papa. That's why in Lalita Sahasranama, Universal Mother has a name. Punya Punya Vivarjita. Punya Apunya Vivarjita. Who has transcended Punya and Papa. You will get to know about all this after a few years. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Now, just know that there is something, just because in that Bhagavad Gita, that line came, Mamu has explained to you all these things, Atatais. So don't be like Duryodhana. We have to be like minimum Arjuna to get Rishikesha, no?
Yes, Mamu.
See, Arjuna is blabbering now lot of things. Arjuna is saying, oh Krishna, sin will come to us. All these things. See, he is trying to teach Krishna, no?
Yes, Mamu.
This is what happens when the mind is wandering. When the mind is weak, you try to justify your things, You try to say that I am doing right, I am doing everything, what I am doing is right. But the best thing now is, he is speaking about Atatai and all those rules, Shastra. As if Krishna is not knowing anything. Arjuna has learnt everything and he forgot when the time came. Krishna knows everything. You know what he is doing? He is sitting there and giving a beautiful smile. It is always better when someone comes to you with so much of problems. Most of them will come to you. Why? Because they just have to speak. They don't want original solution and all that. So, these gurus, all of them, what they do, like Rishikesha, these gurus, they just keep quiet, they will listen and they will smile. People like Arjuna will get tired after some time and they will go off. A few people, of course, Arjuna surrendered after that. Arjuna is surrendering in the end of this chapter. If you have completely surrendered and if you are ready to listen from your Guru, then slowly Guru opens up. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
It's enough for today. I guess it's too much. So much of pronunciation, clarities, nuances, small details. And now about Atatais. Don't worry, okay? But this is very, very important. Why? Because all this Mahapapa is even happening nowadays also, no? People are trying to grab land. People are trying to grab others' wealth. Everything, no?
Yes, Mamu.
So we have to go beyond all that. Do prayers. He will guide us. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮಃ.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮಃ.
ಉತ್ತಮ.